Good morning. Today we're at Garrett and Schwald on the north side of town. We are replacing 5,000 meters here on the north side of town. We're replacing the old mechanical meters with a ultrasonic, or what we kind of call a smart meter. And the benefits of this meter is it's a much more accurate meter. The old mechanical meters, just like anything else that's mechanical, they kind of wear out with time. And the ultrasonic meters, they have a warranty of 20 years, and that's on their meter accuracy as well. And so we're very confident that this way we'll be able to get much more accurate meter reads for the water that is being used. For the customer, it's really a very simple process. We normally will put on door hangers to let you know that we're going to be in the area. And then it takes usually about 15 to at most 30 minutes, and they'll just be shutting your water off during that time. And after the meter is replaced, then they also will bleed any of the air that came into the system during the replacement through a hose bib on the outside of your home. So there should be no impact to the customers at all, except for maybe at most 30 minutes where the water will be shut off.